yes, if you read the video title correctly, I am faking this entire vlog just so I can film myself proposing to my girlfriend, so that way we have it forever and I can share it with everybody else. Let me start with this. The whole reason why I'm doing this video is just so I can capture it on camera. That's the whole reason why I'm vlogging the entire trip. I don't care about the vlog. I hate vlogging. But she suggested vlogging because she thought it would be fun, which I hate vlogging. But if there's a way, obviously I can, you know, have the camera up in plain sight and do the thing. It would be a perfect moment where I think it would be a total surprise. Thankfully, I saw one of Linus's recent videos where he described as getting a ring just to be a scam, and I mean, it makes me feel better knowing my choice. So here we go. Here it is. This is the box. And this is the ring. It's nice. This has literally been sitting in my closet, and this dinosaur bag she gave me for Christmas for literally probably since January. We are traveling to Hershey PA to go to Hershey Park. Look at us. I think we're having fun. Does this look like we're having fun? Yeah. First, I know there's a lot of probably cringe right now over the whole thing, but maybe this will help, maybe it won't. First, I'm ready, and second, she's ready and expecting it. So, that's out of the way. Also, I'm having flashbacks to a show called Inbox that was done by Machinima Respawn.
If you don't know they're gonna say yes, maybe you shouldn't be asking.
It's like, and I remember Mr. Sark said that you shouldn't be asking if you're questioning whether they're going to say yes or no. I know what the answer is. She's gonna say yes. It's just nerve-wracking, you know, actually doing it. I have her father's blessing, so that's another thumbs up. 1 out of 4 parents' approval. Already, great, I'm a fourth of the way there. I feel like these things are very sweet and also very cringy. All right, with all that hopefully being out of the way within a short amount of time, let's start the video.
You're supposed to be sleeping. Why aren't you sleeping? What time?
It's vacation time.
Oh no. Where are we going?
We're going to Hershey Park.
No, fat boy, we gotta go.
Wow, Mom, your driving skills in Pittsburgh have like improved. You almost seem like a natural. No, but I'm saying you like took that turn, like you could have cared if there was like a biker or a pedestrian there. You would just ran them right over.
Oh boy. Do you think that's gonna be our train? Is it gonna look like that?
Look like the boat.
Or the one with the coconuts? What number is this? Uh-oh. What happened?
I guess we gotta go home.
Oh boy. You see him?
Mm-hmm.
That's Big Kitty.
Big Kitty.
If you're seated toward the rear of our train, you might be able to catch a glimpse of our locomotive as it rounds the curve ahead of us. On the running right-hand side of the train, this is the world-famous Horseshoe Curve.
Wow.
Is it world famous though? Or they just say that?
Pennsylvania cruises.
Can you imagine just making a U-turn for a train? Like that was your job back in the day. Look at that water. Why is the water green?
It's the Mon River in here.
That ain't the Mon River. What kind of mutants they pulling out of that?
Super cute.
Yeah. How would you describe the horseshoe
That was
experience?
pretty wild.
This place is like kind of nice.
It is.
Like it's huge. Honestly, Harrisburg looks exactly the same as Pittsburgh. We made it.
We made it.
Look how short you are. Oh, jeez.
We made it.
Matching. We made it. This, that's your fault. Do we know what we're doing now?
No.
Okay. This is our hotel room. Pretty. Oh boy. It's pretty wild. There's a hole in the wall.
That's okay.
Okay, I'll let you walk in the bathroom
Okay.
first. Scared the shit out of me.
Hello?
But the bathroom looks slightly like redone almost. I feel kind of comfortable with that.
I do too. We're either going to go to the botanical gardens,
Which is robot flowers.
It's not. Or Chocolate Land. Is that what it's called?
Oh, the chocolate.
Chocolate Town? I don't know.
All right, so Cordy and I, we're actually gonna go for a nice walk today. So we're gonna head outside real quick. Wow. I noticed a small little raindrop. Plan is to go to Chipotle and then go to the Hershey History Museum.
Yeah.
It's like right next to it, which is great because we love museums. I don't know if there'll be any dinosaurs though.
No, that's why I really don't want to go.
Really?
There's no dinosaurs.
How do the dinosaurs go? Give me.
Roar!
Whoa. Your burrito looks very flaccid compared to my bowl. How do you feel that you have food?
Happy.
Bro, it's Chocolate Avenue. Where are we going?
We're going to Hershey.
You gotta speak up.
We're going to Hershey.
Where are we going to Hershey?
Chocolate extravaganza.
We're doing the chocolate tour thing, right?
Yes.
So it's just a tour. I don't know if I can film in there. I assume I maybe can. If not, just maybe get some sneak shots. That sounds ideal. Maybe. I don't know. Thoughts?
We're just worried about getting there.
I mean, it's just, we've only been walking in the rain and it's right up there, so, I think we'll make it.
Yeah.
Appears to be the issue, ma'am.
She keeps telling me to turn left, and we're in a parking lot. Guess what?
We made it.
We're here.
We made it to Chocolate World. Oh. There's so much has changed since I was last here.
I know.
I feel kind of overwhelmed. Jeez. Like, what, the Reese's Stuff Cup? There's like a giant clock? God. I feel like I'm in like a very crappy version of Vegas. Like, look, it just is like chocolate tour.
Kit Kat.
Jesus. Oh, there's a bunch of different ones.
Yeah.
I'm so overwhelmed right now.
I know.
It's like one of those horror paintings that you see in a horror house.
That's where we're going.
I think it's gonna move in 30 seconds.
No. We got free chocolate.
We did. All right, get ready.
6, 5.
Oh, it's moving.
3, 2, 1.
Well, that's a little bit off. The ride's already.
Just cover the light.
Hey everyone!
Oh,
Welcome
jeez.
aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour.
Oh my
For your
God.
safety, see you inside.
It's dairy. I think this is a scary
This is
ride.
like a horror ride.
Look at their names.
Oh my God. What the? Oh, look at that. It's the windows back.
My name is
Hi.
Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate
Nice
Factory.
green screen.
I was asked
Literally
to be your guide
nice
today,
green
and I
screen.
can't wait to
Roasted. Get roasted.
Smell it.
Is that perfume or like it smells like the lip? It smells like the lipstick version of it. Some of these look real. I can't tell.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Wait, who's Alex? Who's Alex? Oh boy, I feel like that's not supposed to happen. Oh, is that us?
No.
This is so much. Shake them. This. Look how huge. Feel how heavy that is. Oh my god.
Like,
No,
you
what
wanna go over here?
Look how big those are. 2 for $40?
Holy shit.
You think these are getting a good deal, then you realize they're 2 for $40.
36 in here.
That's so heavy. How much weight is this?
3 pounds.
3 pounds of Reese's Cup. God damn. What is this?
Raspberry cream?
Oh my god. Do you want one? Are they glass?
No. They're silicone.
Ew. Why? Oh, you have to get a straw and lid for it separately. It's $10.
That's 18.
$18 for this? Dude, you put that in the dishwasher. That's done. This looks good. You don't think so? What do you think looks good here? Coconut hazel?
Chocolate hazelnut.
Oh, I'm done. The greasy section. Move. You know what the disappointing thing is about Reese's though?
What?
Is I've tried. They have all the Reese's all the time, but they don't. It's like the Kit Kats that are like special.
Yeah.
I don't even drink, and I'd like want to feel like I want to drink this.
I
You
feel
can
like
get
it'd be
beer
gross.
now at the park. Double brain freeze.
Wow, they're really good together.
Really? Let me try. Oh yeah, way better.
Were you saying that sarcastically?
No, it actually is way better.
I want a Jolly Rancher slushies.
How would you rate the Jolly Rancher slushy experience?
10 out of 10.
Give him a kiss. Who's the Jolly Rancher guy? What? But you got like this. You got that. What is that? Who is this? What? Oh, well, you barely made it. You're on your tiptoes.
Wow.
I'm surprised you're actually that tall to
Shut
reach.
up.
Wow, there's a tree in the way. We're matching. Uh-oh. First day was a success. We actually ended up going to the, what do you call that place?
Chocolate World?
We went to Chocolate World. We went on the chocolate ride thing at Hershey. They give you like little chocolates, you know, just to give you more diabetes.
Mine's
I was
melted.
gonna say tomorrow we're actually going to the park
Yeah.
and doing park something. Maybe zoo.
Maybe probably zoo. I need to see the giraffes.
Yeah. Oh boy, the giraffes. This is our midnight snack. This is our pizza that we waited for 2 hours practically for. Here's the results. Hey, that was pretty good. All right, you want to take the first bite?
Eat.
You take the first bite.
These are big.
It tastes like pierogies. Would you get JoJo's Bizarre Pizza? First of all, it's cold.
Yeah.
Second of all, it just tastes like pierogies, like potatoes. All right, we're gonna suffer through this. Would you rather have JoJo's Pizza or Domino's? Oh, I got her. Knew it. Would have been here faster.
I don't like Domino's.
Would have been here faster. Probably would have been way cheaper.